Imagine a world where every adult gets a paycheck from the government, no matter who they are, where they work, or even if they work at all. Sounds like a dream? Or maybe a recipe for disaster? Welcome back to the Learning Studio, where we explore economic ideas shaping the past, present, and future. Today's topic, part of our Future Trends and Hot Debates series, is universal basic income. What it is, the arguments for and against it, real-world experiments, and why it's one of the most hotly debated policies of our time. The full economics playlist is linked in the description below. What is universal basic income? Universal basic income, or UBI, is a policy where the government gives every citizen a fixed amount of money regularly, with no conditions attached. Example, if a country sets UBI at $1,000 per month, everyone gets it, rich or poor, employed or unemployed. The idea? To guarantee a minimum standard of living and reduce poverty. Why people support UBI? Poverty reduction. Everyone gets enough to cover basic needs like food, housing, and healthcare. 2. Job automation safety net. As AI and robots replace jobs, UBI could provide financial stability. 3. Freedom of choice. People could pursue education, start businesses, or take creative risks without fearing bankruptcy. Real example, Finland ran a 2-year UBI trial, 2017 to 2018, giving unemployed citizens €560 per month. Results? Slight improvement in well-being and mental health, but limited impact on employment. Why people oppose UBI? 1. Cost. Funding UBI for an entire population can require massive tax increases. 2. Work disincentive. Critics argue free money may reduce motivation to work. 3. Inflation risk. More money in circulation without more goods can raise prices, eroding the value of UBI. Historical concern. Some economists worry UBI could become politically impossible to remove, even if it causes economic harm. Quote to remember, the question is not whether we can afford UBI, it's whether we can afford not to. Andrew Yang. Why this debate matters. UBI isn't just a theoretical idea, it's a policy some countries are seriously considering as technology reshapes our economies. Whether it's the solution to inequality or a financial black hole, it forces us to ask, what do we owe each other as members of society? Coming up next, green economy, carbon pricing, ESG, and future jobs. Follow us on YouTube, Instagram, and TikTok. Add platform icons in editing for more animated deep dives into the future of money, technology, and society. This is the Learning Studio, your window into the economic ideas that might define the decades ahead.